Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I have not one but two great bags to share with you today. It's been a minute since I've talked about some bags, so let's just dive right in. So the first bag that I want to share with you is this beautiful bag from Parisa Wang, and this is a brand that I have been seeing on social media, and the bags looked just so beautiful, so elegant and chic, and I'd been looking at I'd been eyeing a few of them, and they very kindly reached out to me and offered to send me a bag, which thank you so much. They've also offered a discount code, which I'll put on the bottom of the screen, and while I unbox this, it's going to give you 15% off your first bag for just this week, and then in a few days it's going to be 12% off. So save that code if you've been wanting to get something from Parisa Wang. But this is what the bag looks like. That's how it comes when they send it to you. It comes with a nice tote bag. So instead of like your typical dust bag, you get a drawstring tote bag, which I think is really nice. And there you have the label here on the front. And as you can see, it does have that drawstring pull if you want to tighten it and protect your bag from dust. But then you can also use this as just like any kind of tote bag, but then very easily travel with your bag. Or if you even want to put it inside your bag, say you get like a suede bag or it's raining and you really want to protect the bag, you could always store this inside and then just have it just in case of weather. Okay, so here is the bag, and it's a really big box. I'm struggling a little bit, but it is this beautiful chocolate leather East-West bag. And this is called the Gabrielle bag, and this is in the medium size. I got it again in this beautiful, smooth chocolate leather. It does have gold hardware. It is a zip closure, and there is a really pretty little lock on the side. And as you can see, there is the logo of the brand. Now, this brand is really cool because they use a lot of the same manufacturers as like Prada, Celine, Miu Miu, YSL. So you are getting that luxury manufactured bag, but at a fraction of the cost because they don't do the same markups that those brands do. As we've all learned, those luxury brands have really huge markups, and this brand avoids that. They are a New York based brand, which is like so perfect because I do plan to spend some time in New York here in the fall, and I was already thinking that this is just like the perfect New York bag for me. I've been wanting a bag with this silhouette and these kinds of straps for a while now, and I just thought this was so beautiful. The brand also has some other really great bags as well that I've seen online. So again, if you're looking for like a chic, elegant bag brand that, you know, it doesn't have like the big logos, it feels like that timeless, luxurious style, I think this is a great brand to check out. And if you do, I hope that you use my discount code because then you can save a little extra money. The bag has this cute little clip here so that you can keep the straps together, which I think is a really great idea. And then this is the first time I'm seeing inside of this bag, but it is a very spacious bag. Here we have the stuffed out. Now this is what the bag looks like inside. It's one big compartment, and then on the back, I don't know if you can see there is one pocket. So if you want to store things there for easy reach, that's a great option, like your card holder, maybe your car key, some parking tickets, something like that. But I just think it's really beautiful. It is lined in fabric. Then at the bottom of the bag, it does have 4 feet, which I think is really nice, especially for the smooth leather. Even with the high-end bags, sometimes you don't even get the feet at the bottom, which they go a long way to protect the leather at the bottom of your bag, which I really appreciate. The zipper is a gold zipper, as I mentioned, and it is a nice smooth closure. And then here at the end is really interesting because this is actually a magnet, so it does hold in place on the side, which I think is a nice feature as well. And then on this side you do have that little lock decorative feature, which I think is really pretty. Now as for what fits inside, I mean, you will have no issues fitting the regular things like your phone. There's my iPhone Pro. You'll definitely fit an iPhone Pro Max. I even have a hairbrush here. This will fit inside too. I have a water bottle and that will fit inside. And as you can see, there's still plenty of room to spare. So your car keys, your wallet, if you have a long continental wallet, that will completely fit in here as well. I really like the idea of just storing the dust bag inside of this bag as well, just in case it like rains or something like that. I was really torn between this beautiful chocolate leather and the suede, which is gorgeous as well. But I have a suede bag already for the fall, and that's really like the only time that I use suede. And I just thought that this bag was perfect for fall, but also could work here in Miami. I do love a chocolate brown leather. I just thought it was so gorgeous. Now this is the second bag. It is a Dior bag, and it is a bag that I've borrowed from Vivrelle. I have had a membership with them for a few months now. Now if you don't know what Vivrelle is, they are a luxury membership closet where you can borrow luxury bags and accessories. And it's just a really great way. If you like to switch out your closet a lot, then it could be a great option for you. Or if you want to try a bag and you're not really sure if you want to pick it up or not, make the big investment into it, you can always borrow it. They have a really extensive closet. And I do have a discount code. If you use my code Laura Posse, you do get your first month free of membership. They do have different tiers of membership, so if you want to check out the different tiers and get more information, I will leave that link below as well as the discount code. But this is how your bag or your borrowed item arrived in the mail. Oh, how cute. Okay, so this is the dust bag that it comes in, but they also very kindly sent me something from Tatcha. This is the cleanser. Oh my gosh, how funny. I really like this cleanser, so I'm really surprised that they included this little gift. That was a really nice touch for them to add, and it's a really good size. This is like the perfect travel size. Okay, so let's see the bag that I got. Now I've been wanting to add a Dior bag for a while, and I'm not exactly sure which one I want to add. I really like the Lady DJoy, especially from the new Jonathan Anderson collection. The Lady Dior is gorgeous as well. So what I ended up picking up was, I am looking for an evening bag, and I'm not totally sure what it is that I want to get. So I decided to give the Caro Pouch a try. And this is a ball-it-on chain, but it's a perfect little clutch. Like, how gorgeous is that? This retails for, I think, $2,500. So it is really nice to be able to borrow it, check it out, and see if it is something that I would like to buy. I just think the Dior bags are beautiful. And then something else that I really like about this bag is that chain detail. I don't know if it's focusing, but like, how pretty is that? And the other thing that I really like about this Caro Pouch over, like, say, the Chanel clutch is the chain is removable, which I like a removable chain because, like I said, I like to use these bags as clutches. Like, if you go to a wedding, an evening event, you might not necessarily want the chain, but you want to, carry it under your arm or just by hand, and not having the chain is perfect because otherwise you are stuck tucking it into the bag and then you waste precious space on these small little bags. So I'm going to start off with my iPhone Pro and fit that in there, which fits perfectly. I'm going to skip a card holder because there are several card slots here in the back. I don't know if you can see, so there's like there's 6 card slots, okay? And then in the front you also have this little zippered compartment. So if you want to carry like cash or something like that, I would put it in there. And then in the main compartment, so I put my phone, and then it is quite small. So let's see if it fits my car keys. I actually have my spare car key because my husband took our car, but that fits in there. I would probably take the one that doesn't have the keychain though, because then I have more space. I also grabbed this cute little mirror, and I'm gonna slide that right in there as well. And then a cute little lipstick. And that is basically it. It does have a magnetic closure here, so that'll stay nice and tightly closed. It does have a nice pocket at the back. I would only put like paper things in there or just very thin items because over time, if you store things in here, it will stretch. I wouldn't put my phone back there because that will stretch it a lot. It is very, very tight to the rest of the bag. But that's the Caro Pouch, and I just think the leather is so elegant. It's not like it's not a caviar leather, but it is a textured leather. You can see that there's a grain to it. And I really love the classic canage pattern from Dior. So this is one I am considering, although I feel like I'm leaning towards the DJoy. I don't know. And if I did get the DJoy, it wouldn't be in an evening bag style because I really love this beige. So I'm just like, my head is all over the place. I can't decide, and that's why I haven't pulled the trigger on a Dior bag, but how gorgeous is that? All right, guys, well, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a video coming on Sunday with all of the beauty things that I've bought recently. If you've seen my shorts, I've been posting a lot of beauty items, so you know I've added a lot to my beauty collection, and I'm really excited to share that with you. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, hype it, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because there's like 80-something% of you that watch my channel, come back, and aren't subscribed, and I would really love it if you joined my luxury posse, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.